As the holiday season ends, students and teachers alike are returning to school from an extended break. This can be a difficult time for student attention in the classroom as they get readjusted to deadlines and the school schedule. Today we're going to be talking about ways teachers can better hold student attention in the classroom during this time. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, follow, and comment if you enjoyed this content. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we covered the ACT, the SAT, and which one you should take. Many teachers are excited to get back to the first day of class, but it's important to make sure that it's an easy transition for the student. Students can become quickly overwhelmed if demanding lesson engagement immediately, so it's important to leave time at the beginning of class for students to warm up for the new semester or the new year. Some students will be new to the class or even the school, so it's a good idea to allow some time for all students, especially new students, to get familiar with the learning environment. If your class is completely new for the semester or for the year, it's important to allow students to become familiar not just with the teacher, but also with the other students in the class. This is where an icebreaker game can come in. These can be great ways for students to become familiar with the students around them, as well as learning new things about each other. It also opens up the opportunity for students to make new friends. This also can be useful for you as well, as you can gauge the seating arrangement, the students, and predict which groups work well together or could be disruptive. Students can have difficulty coming up with defined goals for themselves academically, so setting aside class time where they can brainstorm ideas on what they'd like to accomplish can be helpful to their success. Also, if it's done in a creative way, it can get students excited about organization, which will in turn benefit their long-term academic success. In addition to teaching them how to manage their time effectively, another huge benefit is for getting them excited about organization. Color coding, time blocking, binder organization, and note-taking strategies are all effective ways for students to plan their time, and getting them excited about organization can help them keep track of their assignments and due dates. While we covered effective strategies for maintaining student engagement after a long break, we want to stress the most important thing of all, maintaining positivity in the classroom. Positive reinforcement is your best weapon when getting students engaged and excited about being back in the classroom. Going the extra mile to allow students to express themselves creatively with assignments and organization, and encouraging that with rewards, can go a long way in building a strong sense of community and excitement in the classroom. It's also important to remember that you may not be the student's only teacher, so understanding the importance of allowing a warm-up before lessons allows students to get the right mindset before diving headfirst into content. As always, be sure to hit that like and give us a subscribe, and click on the bell icon to be reminded whenever we post a new video. Be sure to check out the links in the description if you're curious about the power of one and what we do for our students. See you on the next one.